In this video, I will show you how to change birthday on Roblox without using Roblox support. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to roblox.com and log into your account. Now once you're logged in, you want to come up to the top right hand corner, click onto this gear icon and then come down and click onto settings. So what that's going to do is take you across to your settings. As you can see, I can't currently change my birthday. However, to get around this, what you can do is right click here where it says birthday. And what you want to do on this menu that comes up is come down and click onto inspect. Now what it's going to do is open up a window on the right hand side of the screen. And from here, we want to come and look for this line of code here, which says div class collapsible user input birthday container. So it's basically this one here. Once you found this, what you're going to want to do is right click on this line of code and you want to click onto edit as HTML. Now what it's going to do is bring up some code like this, and all you want to do is hold down Control and press A to highlight all of the code and then press delete to delete this HTML code. Now once that's done, what you're going to want to do is copy the code from here, which I will leave a link to this in the video description down below, but you basically just want to copy all of this code. So you just want to highlight all of this code just like so. Then what you want to do is right click and click copy, come back to the Roblox website, and now you just want to hold down Control and press V to paste this into here. So once that's done, you can close it down and just close this window down just like so. And now you should be able to actually go ahead and change your birthday, as you can see like I'm doing here. Once that's done, come down and click the verify my age button at the bottom, and it's probably going to ask you to do a few checks, but once you've done that, you would have successfully changed your birthday. So that is how to change birthday on Roblox without using Roblox support. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.